But if you make good decisions today, that you can start to improve your brain.
Meet Dr. Daniel Amen, one of the most recognized psychiatrists and brain specialists in the world. For more than 30 years, Dr. Amen and his team have studied the human brain in a way no one else has. They have performed over 225,000 SPECT brain scans on patients from more than 150 countries, creating the largest brain imaging database on Earth. These scans are not just colorful images. They reveal how blood flows, how energy moves, and which parts of the brain are strong, underactive, or overstressed. And from this massive collection of data, Dr. Amen delivers a powerful message. Your brain can grow younger, sharper, and more resilient at any age. In this video, we uncover what these brain scans really reveal. Why making your brain younger transforms not only your mind, but your body, behavior, and entire life. And finally, Dr. Amen's food rules, what to avoid, and the 5 brain-boosting foods you don't want to miss. What have 225,000 brain scans revealed? According to Dr. Amen, the brain is not just another organ. It is the center of judgment, personality, character, creativity, and innovation. When your brain works right, you work right. And when your brain is troubled, your life is much more likely to fall apart. At the Amen clinics, doctors use a technology called SPECT imaging. This advanced scan shows how the brain works, not just what it looks like. It reveals 3 things clearly. Areas of healthy activity. Areas with too little activity. Areas that are overactive or stressed. The goal is balance. A healthy brain scan shows full, even, symmetrical activity. But compare that with the scan of an alcoholic brain, you can actually see damage. Alcohol is directly toxic to brain function. Dr. Amen often shows scans of 3 different 60-year-old brains. One with Alzheimer's disease. One belonging to an overweight person with sleep apnea. And one healthy brain. The question is simple. Which brain do you want? The exciting truth is this: when you start making better choices today, your brain can begin improving within just 2 months. Dr. Amen scanned his own brain again at age 52 and found it looked younger than before. A healthy brain doesn't just mean better memory. It means you are happier, healthier, wealthier, wiser, more creative, and more innovative. Even though the brain is only 2% of your body weight, it consumes 20 to 30% of all the calories you eat. Your brain is the most expensive real estate in your body. And on average, you lose 85,000 brain cells every single day. But here's the powerful discovery from Amen clinics. You can accelerate brain aging with your habits, or you can slow it down. What damages the brain? Before fixing the brain, we must understand what harms it. Brain injuries are obvious. So are drugs and alcohol. Dr. Amen doesn't drink, not because he can't, but because he values his brain. After scanning thousands of drinkers, he knows the truth. In an Emmy Award or winning show, Dr. Amen scanned a young man sober, then scanned him again while drunk. The result was shocking. His frontal lobes nearly shut down. The frontal lobes control focus, judgment, planning, impulse control, empathy. When alcohol damages this area, decision-making collapses. Next comes obesity. More than 10 studies now show that as body weight increases, brain size and function decrease. Dr. Amen read one of these studies and immediately lost 25 pounds. Smoking restricts blood flow to the brain, aging it prematurely. High blood pressure reduces brain circulation. Diabetes damages brain tissue. And then there's the standard American diet, the SAD diet. It's not only linked to heart disease and cancer, but also to depression, attention problems, and Alzheimer's disease. Food is either medicine or poison. Foods that harm the brain include sugar, fast food, highly processed foods, corn-based products that cause inflammation. Dr. Men sums it up simply. If it's grown on a plant, eat it. If it's made in a plant, don't. Dr. Men on coffee. Dr. Men is cautious about caffeine. Anything that interferes with sleep or blood flow to the brain is a concern. 6 cups of coffee a day are linked to serious problems. 1 cup may be okay, but less is always better. Caffeine is addictive, and withdrawal causes headaches. There are far better ways to create natural energy, starting with sleep. What helps the brain stay young? Now for the good news. Strong brains are built through positive social connections, lifelong learning, quality sleep, meditation. The people you spend time with influence your longevity. Healthy habits are contagious, and so are unhealthy ones. Learning something new forms new brain connections. Stop learning, and the brain begins disconnecting itself. Sleep is essential. In 1900, people slept 9 hours a night. Today, many get less than 6, and the brain suffers. Blood flow drops, cravings increase, and weight rises. Meditation doesn't shut the brain down. It activates the most human, thoughtful part of the brain, the frontal lobes. Foods that strengthen the brain. Diet is foundational. Dr. Men recommends higher protein, fewer simple carbohydrates, regular exercise. Key nutrients include magnesium, L-theanine, ashwagandha, and rhodiola. One food Dr. Men highlights personally: pumpkin seeds. They are rich in magnesium, zinc, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Small, but incredibly powerful for calming the brain and boosting focus. For vegans, omega-3 supplements are essential. EPA and DHA cannot be reliably obtained from flax seeds or avocados alone, and the body cannot produce them on its own. Lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and fiber should replace processed carbs. One simple meal recommended by the Men family. Chicken, avocado, sprouts, wrapped lightly, nutritious and brain-friendly. One drink Dr. Men recommends. If there's one drink Dr. Men supports, it's green tea. It contains less caffeine than coffee, plus L-theanine, which promotes calm focus without overstimulation. For Dr. Men, green tea offers the perfect balance, gentle energy with brain protection. A younger brain is not a mystery. It's a result of daily choices. Choose wisely. Your brain remembers everything. But here is the truth most people never hear. Your brain is not a static organ, locked into decline by age or genetics. It is living tissue, constantly responding to how you treat it every single day. Dr. Daniel Amen's brain scans do not just show damage, they show possibility. They prove that the brain is always adapting, always changing, and always keeping a record of your choices. Every hour of sleep you miss, every meal you rush, every habit you repeat is quietly shaping the structure and performance of your brain. And the most powerful realization is this: the brain does not care about your intentions, it responds only to your actions. What makes this discovery so unsettling is how invisible brain decline can be. You don't wake up one day and suddenly feel your brain aging. It happens slowly, silently, while life feels normal. Focus slips a little. Motivation drops slightly. Patience shortens. Memory becomes unreliable. These changes are often dismissed as stress or just getting older. But Dr. Ehrman's scans reveal that many of these patterns have a biological fingerprint: reduced blood flow, inflamed regions, or overstressed circuits that have been neglected for years. The danger is not ignorance. The danger is normalization. When unhealthy brain states become common, people stop questioning them. Yet the scans also reveal something deeply hopeful. The brain is remarkably forgiving. When blood flow improves, function improves. When inflammation drops, clarity returns. When sleep becomes consistent and nutrition becomes intentional, entire regions of the brain light back up. This is not theory. It is visible, measurable change. Dr. Ehrman has repeatedly shown that within weeks or months, brains once labeled damaged begin to resemble younger, healthier versions of themselves. Not perfect, but undeniably improved. Biology, it turns out, rewards consistency more than perfection. Another uncomfortable truth emerges from this research: modern life is not designed for brain health. Chronic stress, constant digital stimulation, poor sleep, processed food, and social isolation quietly work together to drain the brain's energy. The brain evolved for movement, connection, curiosity, and rhythm. Take those away, and the system begins to malfunction. Add them back, and the system begins to heal. This is why small changes matter so much. A daily walk increases blood flow. A meaningful conversation activates emotional circuits. Learning something new strengthens neural connections. These are not lifestyle trends, they are survival signals for the brain. Perhaps the most powerful lesson from Dr. Ehrman's work is responsibility. Not blame, but ownership. Your brain is influencing every decision you make, yet your decisions are shaping your brain in return. This feedback loop runs your life. Improve the brain, and self-control becomes easier. Focus sharpens. Emotions stabilize. Hope feels rational again. Ignore the brain, and life becomes harder for reasons that feel mysterious but are anything but. In the end, the message from 225,000 brain scans is clear. You are not too old. You are not broken. And you are not powerless. Your brain is constantly waiting for a signal that it is worth protecting. The moment you start sending that signal, through sleep, food, movement, learning, and connection, your brain begins the work of renewal. Quietly, relentlessly, and in ways that eventually reshape not just how you think, but who you become.